FluentCart's new release made tax management smarter, clearer, and more transparent. Want to see what's really changed? In this video, I'll walk you through the new tax settings, show you how they help your store, and then we'll see how everything looks at checkout. Let's get started. First, go to Settings, then open Tax and Duties. From here, simply enable tax for your store. Once tax is enabled, you can decide whether product prices are entered, including or excluding tax. There are also two ways to control reverse charge tax at checkout. I'm just going with fixed right now, but later on, we'll test out dynamic too so you can see the difference. In case you want to collect tax based on the customer's address, billing address, and even store location, you can do that as well. There's also an option to customize price suffixes like VAT or plus tax, so your customers know exactly what they are paying. When you enable the EU VAT number, you have got options for local reverse charge and even exclude categories if needed. The new upgrade brings some really interesting features to the tax rate setup. Now, you can easily search for any country you want and configure the tax rate on your terms. As you can see, the region is already enabled. Now, enter the VAT or tax number in the corresponding field. Otherwise, VAT ID don't appear on the customer's receipt. You get pre-filled tax classes to help you get started faster, but you can always add tax classes on the go. You can set a standard applicable rate for the whole country, but if different regions of your country come with different tax rates, you can do that too. You can also add local taxes on the top of national taxes, and even use compound tax when one tax needs to be calculated on top of another. If you have any specific products that don't come under tax regulation, you can build an override for them. You can apply overrides to products or shipping based on your requirements. All you need to do is select a category, set the tax rate, and it's good to go. Now, for EU sellers, this gets even better. Click on Configure, and you will get 3 ways to collect VAT across the EU. First, one-stop shop registration. This is usually the best option for businesses selling across multiple EU countries. With OSS, you can use one VAT registration and one reporting account for multiple EU countries. Next, home country registration. Choose your country, add your registration number, and show it directly on invoices. This is ideal for smaller businesses selling under €10,000 a year across EU borders. Your store is ready to manage VAT without extra hassle. And finally, country-specific registration. This is built for larger businesses with separate VAT registrations in different EU countries. So, if you are registered in Croatia, France, Germany, Spain, or other countries separately, you can manage each country with its own VAT ID, and the rest of the settings remain identical. Now, let's see how you can apply this to the products. When you open a product and go to the variation, you can find the option to add tax classes to the product. From there, you can easily add taxes to each variation according to your preference. Now let's see how it works. When a customer enters their name, email, and billing address, FluentCart checks the user addresses and decides which tax rules should apply. If the customer is from the European Union and they are purchasing as a business, they can select I'm purchasing as a business. Then they can enter their VAT or tax ID, and if the rules apply, the tax can be deducted from the product price. But let's say a customer chooses to take responsibility for paying the tax themselves. According to EU rules, a tax reverse charge note should be filled, where the reason for self-payment is documented so that the tax can be paid later. On the right side, the order summary shows exactly how tax is calculated. So customers don't have to guess. They can see the product cost, shipping cost, tax amount, and final total before they pay. Since the price mode is set to fixed and reverse charge is applied, customers don't pay extra tax at checkout for products where tax is excluded. But for products where tax is included, they do pay the tax as part of the price. Alright, let's change the pricing mode from fixed to dynamic and see what happens. Here you can see that the product I have added to my cart has tax included within it. Since the reverse charge is applied and the price mode is set to dynamic, the amount of tax charged on the product is deducted from the final price. Customers can purchase the product without paying any tax at checkout, but pay it later. There's the full setup. All of this gives your store better tax control, clearer checkout, and more trust at the final step. That's the new FluentCart tax upgrade. So if you are selling across regions, working with EU VAT, or just want a cleaner way to manage tax inside WordPress, this FluentCart update is definitely worth checking out. Update FluentCart today, try the new tax settings, and keep selling smarter inside WordPress.